good morning. I am audible and visible? I am audible and visible. Okay, listen, everyone, take out your math magic. Everyone, take out your math magic. Okay. Everyone, take out your math magic book. In previous class, we have done up to page number 41. Okay. And today we will start from page number 42. That is Rani's diary. So everyone come to Math Magic page number 42, that is Rani's diary. Now see, there is one conversation given between Rani and her friends. I am reading the book, you just go through the book. See what Rani is saying. Come, let's go to see my new baby sister. Rani, she is inviting her friends to come to her home to see the new sister. Ma, I have brought sweets for Munia, but she can't eat, she is too small. Okay. Now Rani is saying that Ma, I have brought some sweets for the little sister, but her mother is saying that she is too small to eat the sweet, and she does not even talk, even she cannot talk also. Now just look to the pictures, the conversation is going between the mother and Rani, and everything is being picturized in the book. She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up. Now mother, she is explaining to Rani and his friends that she will do all the things, but slowly, means when she will grow up slowly, she will do all the activities as you are doing. Clear? Now come to page 43. In page 43, see, I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating, walking. Now Rani, she is saying that I will maintain one diary, and in that diary I will write all the activities done by my sister one by one. Now here are some pages from Rani's diary. Now some pages of Rani's diary are given here. You have to see that and you have to arrange in the activities and the date. Obviously the date and the month given. Okay, you have to arrange that one according to the date and month and the activities also. Now first one is already given in the timeline. Mark these in the correct order on Munia's timeline. Now there is a line called the timeline. In that timeline you have to show all the activities with the help of the date. Okay. First one is already given, 5305 was born. Now look to the book properly. In the book it is given 5th March 2005. Munia is born today. Now this is the first page written by Rani in her diary, that 5th March Munia is born today. Then 15th September 2005 Munia got her first tooth. Now 15th September she got her first tooth. Next 10th November 2005 Munia sat up. In 10th November 2005 Munia sat up. Then 20th November 2005 Munia started crawling. Okay, not crawling, it is crawling. So 20th November she started to crawl. Then 5th January 2006 Munia stood up. Then after that she stood up. Then 5th September 2005 Munia ate a banana. Acha, listen, just tell me 5th September 2005 is written or 2006 is written in your book. Unmute yourself and tell me. Everyone unmute and tell me. Is it written 5th September 2005 or 5th September 2006? Yes, in Srijita's book it is written 2006. Others, I want your answers. Ognisha also 2006. Aushnik also 2006. Diptangshu is saying 2006. Okay, that means in everyone's book it is written 2006. Okay. Some of the books it is written 2005. That's why I have asked you this question. Okay. Okay, if it is written 2006, you will go according to that. 2006. Clear? So, 5th September 2006, Munia ate a banana. Next is 2nd February 2006, Munia started walking. Now, these are the months and dates and the activities done by Munia. You have to arrange them according to their month and date. Clear? Now, take your pencil. In the book you will do. In the book. Take your pencil. In the book, start writing. In the book. Like this, the timeline is given. And first one, it is given was born 5/3/05. Now 5 means March. After March, April will come. Any activities for April it is given in the book? No. Then May? No. June? No. July? July is also not given. August is also not given. It is directly given September. Isn't it? September is given. So the next date you will write in the month of September. That is 15 September 2005. So next date everyone write in your book. It is 15 September 2005 and you will write that Munia got her first tooth. In the month of September she got her first tooth. Okay. Now after September, October is given? No. Then what? November, isn't it? After October it is November. So in November what is given? 10th November 2005, Munia sat up. So next you will write that 10th November 2005. Sat up. Munia sat up. Okay. Now after November come to, now one more November is there, that is 20 November 2005. Started crawling. Again the date 20/11/05 and she started crawling. Okay. After that November, then December. Anything in the month of December? No, nothing is there in the month of December. Then it comes the January. So you all will write 05/01 as January is the first month, so you are writing 01. 06 Munia stood up. See, I don't have the space, so I am writing in the down, but you will write in your book as a straight. Okay. In the board I don't have the much space, that's why I am writing below, but you will write in a straight line because in the book you can write. So next timeline will be, next will be 05/01/06. Munia stood up. sorry, not Munia, you will just write stood up. Stood up. After January, it is February. So, you will write 2nd February 2006 started walking. So, you all will write 0202 as February is the 2nd month. So, 02 and the year is 06. Started walking. Started walking. Then the next one, started walking. Then the next one is 5th September 2006 ate a banana. So, you will write 05, sorry, it is 5th September 0906 ate a banana. Okay, ate a banana. Is it clear, the writing of timeline to everyone? Is it clear, the writing of timeline to everyone? Everyone completed? Completed everyone? Unmute yourself and tell everyone completed. Yes, one answer I have got. Aushnik is saying yes, ma'am. Okay. Hey, Oglisha not completed. Okay, write fast. Ognisha, write fast. Those who have not completed, write fast. Okay, now come to the next question. Munia got her first tooth in September. Okay, how many months old was she then? You have to find that how many months she was old in when her first tooth was there. So, you can see that the first tooth it came in the month of September. That means, and the birth was from March. So, count from March to September. March, April, May, June, July, August, September. How many months it is? How many months it is? Exactly, Niladri, 6 months. Very good. I am very happy with Niladri. The first answer he has given, that is also right. It is 6 months. Yes, Srijita, you are also right. So, write it, 6 months. Everyone write in the book the first answer as 6 months. This is page 43. Question 2 answered. How many months old was she then? So, you will write Munia was 6 months old when she got her first tooth. This answer you write in your copy, okay? This answer you write in your copy. Now the next one. How many months have passed from March to September? Just now you have counted. How many months it has passed from March to September? Just now you have counted. Yes, it is 6 months. Srijita, it is 6 months. Okay, so second answer will also be 6 months. 6 months have passed from March to September. 6 months have passed from March to September. Now the next question. How old was Munia when she first sat up? Now see, just after first two, the next page is sat up. It is given 10th November. So up to September you have counted 6. Tale October, November. 2 more months you will add. So it will be 8 months. Okay. It will be 8 months. So she first sat up. She first sat up in 8 months. Now answer number B. She got her first tooth. This already you have found. She got her first tooth in the month of 6, isn't it? So again you will repeat the first answer, that she got her first tooth in 6 months. Then next one. What did she do first? What did she do first? Walking or eating a banana? Walking or eating a banana? What she has done first? Give a tick mark. Walking or eating a banana? Walking or eating a banana. What she has done first? Answer me, students. Just give a tick mark. Walking or eating a banana? Walking or eating a banana? Yes, it is walking. Then next one. Crawling or standing? Crawling or standing? Srijita, now you can see the board. Srijita, now the board is clear to you. Yes, it is crawling. So everyone give a tick mark in crawling. Everyone give a tick mark in crawling. Everyone give a tick mark in crawling. Okay students, today up to this only. We will do Ognisha, the board was not clear, that's why I am standing just beside the board, okay, that's why you are not able to see me. Ognisha, I am just in your class only. Srijita was not able to see the board, that's why I am in the side. Okay. I am standing in the side. Okay, listen. today up to this only we will do. The next page, that is page 44, we will do in our next class. So up to page 43, your homework is, in your copy you will write the timeline as you have written in the book. The same way you will draw a line and you will write in your copy. This is your homework. As it is you have done in the book, the same way you will do it in the copy, but with the help of the scale and pencil. You will draw a line, then you will write above that. Clear? Clear everyone? Okay, so that's all for today. You join your next class. So for today, bye all of you. For today, bye all of you. You do your next class.